Want to check on these chickens here. We got these new chickens, the younger ones, that we put in there with the flock, and they are having a problem. They're getting picked on, they're getting pecked at, and they're not roosting with the other chickens. So, there we go. So that's where they are down there. Now, normally, I don't really care where they roost, but they're roosting in the egg boxes, which means they're shitting all over the eggs. And they should be roosting with these chickens, and they're not. So I gotta figure out how to fix that. So the newest baby chickens are the even younger ones, and they are in the next one over here. And they're not roosting at all. They're just down here, chilling by the door. Say hi, chickies.